Have you ever asked yourself a question? Is it wrong to copy a design? I did. And what exactly is considered as copy? Is this copy or not? Please tell me in the comments. Let's discuss this important topic today and try to find out the answers. In the realm of creativity, the line between copying and inspiration may sometimes blur. This leads to questions about the ethics of design. What is right and what is wrong? Is it wrong to copy someone's work? This straightforward question goes into the complex of legal, moral and professional considerations. At its core, design encompasses the process of creating something unique, whether it's an artwork, a digital interface or a physical product. However, the easy access to information and spreading of digital media made it quite tempting to replicate the existing designs. In the fast-paced world of design, where trends come and go with lightning speed, the temptation to copy someone else's work can be huge. It's applicable to anything: a sleek website, an eye-catching logo, or a stylish physical product. However, before giving away to this temptation, it's crucial to consider all pros and cons of copying someone else's design. Let's begin with pros. First of all, it's time-saving. Instead of starting from scratch, designers can replicate existing designs. Then it's also cost-effective. Copying someone else's design might be cheaper than hiring a designer to create something from scratch. The third reason is approval. If a particular design was successful for someone else, then copying it increases the likelihood of getting the same success for yourself. And the last one is learning opportunity. Copying someone else's design is a great source of insights, especially for beginners. This one is my favorite, and I always recommend to start learning design by copying great work. When you copy amazing work, you train your eyes to detect what is good and what is bad. Now moving to cons, and the first one is a lack of originality. Design is a creative field which thrives on originality and innovation, and copying someone else's work undermines these principles. Perhaps it's the most significant drawback of copying someone else's design. The next one are legal implications. Copying someone else's design can violate legal rules, particularly if the original design is protected by copyright or other intellectual property rights. This can cost you money. The third downside is reputation damage. Copying someone else's design can damage a designer's reputation and credibility within the industry. This can also harm the future career opportunities. And the last one is lack of innovation. By fully copying designs, designers miss out on the opportunity to push the boundaries. True progress in the field comes from creating something really new and groundbreaking. Considering all of that, think twice before copying someone else's design. And please hit the like button if you like this video, this will make me happy. Designers invest a lot of time and effort into developing their creation, so copying a design without permission or proper attribution can be considered unethical too. It's important to respect the original creator's work because copying devalues it. Imagine pouring your heart and soul into a design only to have it replicated without proper acknowledgement and compensation. These actions not only decrease the incentive to innovate, but also destroy trust in the creative community. However, as I said, copying designs is not always black and white. There are examples when copying existing designs is not only acceptable, but encouraged. It's a great way for beginners to learn the craft and apply new techniques. Designers often engage in the iterative process of building upon existing ideas to create something new and innovative. In these cases, it's important to differentiate between direct replicating and taking inspiration. Add value through your creativity and give credit where needed. So there is no single answer to the question if it's right or wrong to copy designs. It depends how you do it. Taking inspiration with proper attribution is okay. Even the best artists said that they started by copying. Designers can contribute to a vibrant creative community by fostering the culture of ethics, collaboration and innovation. Thanks for watching this video. If it was useful, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Have a great day and see you in the next one.